Hello guys and welcome. I hope you're having a wonderful day. Welcome to your home decor channel. My name is Glam and Designs. Today I have for you 5 amazing fall DIYs, and this concludes my DIYs for this season until Christmas. All the items used will be listed on the description box below, and most of the items were from the Dollar Tree. If you have any questions about this tutorial, just leave me a comment down below. And with nothing else to say, let's begin. Enjoy, guys. I will link the video where I DIY these 3 pumpkins. It will pop up right now on the right side of the screen. I love the way this first DIY turned out. This is my very favorite, and what I love the most is the combination of the 3 colors, 3 metals, and then the mirrors. Then you have this thankful sign. It's just super pretty, you guys, and glam. I feel like this DIY is pretty simple. Any of us can make it, and it takes seconds, you guys. So it will just add some more full vibes to your decor. I feel like this one was already glam up, so there was no need to add so much to it. It was just so pretty by itself. So adding the stones just made it a little bit more glam. Here I wanted to point out, you guys, that the spray paint kind of burned it, the foam, so I had to paint it on top to cover up all the damages. So we're gonna use acrylic paint, and also the color is pretty different. The one that is spray painted is like a lot more metallic than the acrylic metallic paint. This one came out so pretty. I was so happy and excited when I saw the final result. And it also matches this other topiary that I had made on a previous video. I'll link that video for you guys right now. What do you guys think of this DIY? This leaf came out spectacular, you guys. I am so obsessed over it. It's so glam and it still has the full vibes. So let me know your thoughts on that one. And it was just a simple DIY. Thank you so much for watching, you guys. If you're not part of my Instagram family, I would love to have you head there. I have two accounts, an inspo account, which is totally glam decor, and then my personal account where I share many home decor ideas. It is Mimi's Designs. I would love to have you there. I hope you guys enjoyed all these DIYs and this video, and if you want to keep seeing videos like this, don't forget to subscribe, hit the bell button to get notified every time I upload a video.